Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will prepare a reproducible environment and immediately load sample data. Create a virtualenv, pip install pandas and requests, then run a quick PD. Read CSV file. CSV nrows equals 5 or requests. Get URL. JSON to confirm schema. Once done, inspect column names, types, and unexpected nulls so you know what to extract. Make sure to save a small sample file. This speeds iteration and prevents costly API hits. This is the first actionable step toward reliable extraction. You will parse diverse sources and transform them into tidy tables. For JSON, use PD. JSON normalize to flatten nested structures. For XML or HTML requests, get. Then beautiful soup to select elements and extract attributes or text. Once done with one page, implement pagination. Loop with params or cursor, sleep to respect rate limits, and accumulate rows into a list of dicts. Make sure to convert date strings to data time and coerce numeric types early to avoid downstream surprises. You will finalize by cleaning and saving data reliably. Drop duplicates, parse dates with PD. To data time, fill or flag nulls, and cast dtypes so analytics works later. Once done, write outputs, df to parquet out. Parquet for compact storage or to CSV out. CSV index equals false for compatibility. Use chunk size when inserting into databases. Make sure to run quick validations, row counts, and sample queries. If something breaks, check HTTP status, sample raw responses, and rerun the failing page. Intermittent API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.